Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming firmware and noting battery percent. This matters for diagnostics. Once updated, charge earbuds and case fully while watching LED behavior. Charging time reveals issues. Make sure to clean contacts and mesh carefully. Even tiny debris causes poor current flow. If you see uneven charge, swap earbuds and case to test contacts. These first actions separate software from hardware problems, so you can move directly into deeper fixes without wasting time. Once initial checks are done, reduce power draw by disabling features you don't need. Active noise cancellation, wake word, and motion detection are common drains. Next, force an efficient codec in Bluetooth settings. Codecs alter CPU and radio use, so choose AAC or low-power aptX where available. Make sure to lower maximum volume and reduce bitrate in streaming apps. Loud audio and high bitrates both increase power usage. Also, close background audio sources and notification-heavy apps to prevent sudden wake-ups and scans. You complete the process with a controlled drain test. Play audio at a fixed volume for 60 to 90 minutes and record percentage loss. Once done, perform a factory reset and repair to rule out pairing corruption, then repeat the test to compare results. If drain remains high, replace the charging case or earbud cell. Battery cells degrade with cycles. Troubleshooting tip: if one bud dies faster, swap sides in the case. If problem follows the bud, it's the cell, not your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.